Google Meet now turns on picture-in-picture mode while switching tabs. Google is introducing an upgraded picture-in-picture experience for desktop Chrome, making it easier for users to keep track of their Google Meet calls. Google Meet is a video calling platform rivaling the likes of Zoom, Skype, and other popular video calling apps on Android. The platform introduced the picture-in-picture mode in 2023. Previously, the picture-in-picture was manually activated from the overflow menu. However, now it'll automatically trigger when a user switches tabs during a Google meeting. When a user moves away from the Google Meet call, a new Meet window pops up elsewhere on the screen, helping you to keep an eye on who is speaking on call. Users can also drag the picture-in-picture window to change its position on the screen or pull one of its edges to resize it. The new feature is enabled by default on desktop Chrome, but users can disable it. First, open Google Meet on Chrome desktop. Now navigate to the address bar and click on the View Site Information icon to the left of the URL. Now tap the automatic picture-in-picture. Now toggle to disable. The feature was rolled out on Monday and will be available shortly to all Google Workspace customers, Workspace individual subscribers, and users with personal Google accounts using desktop Chrome.